Need a substitute. There was no number 6 in the race. Thank you. Okay, we'll just need the cameraman take 1 step or 2 steps back. Go 5. Go 6. Go 7. Go 8. Go 1. 2. 3. There goes Carson, 28.8. There with the 29.3. Ty with the 28.3. 27.9 for Chris Pink. 27.8 for Brian Dunbar. Now 1 minute in with 3 minutes left to go. 27.6 for Jason Schweitzer. And there, 28.4. Race number 11 should be headed to Tech. Orange Transponders race number 11 up next. That's a good section. Now this is race 10 on the field running. Race 11 is up next. Jason Schweitzer, 27.5. Brian Dunbar, 28.3. Todd Hodge with a 28.0. That's my Travis Grant Fair, 29.1. 27.7 for Todd Hodge. Less than 2 minutes ago, we're just over 2 minutes in. Jason Schweitzer, 27.5. Brian Dunbar, 27.8. Todd Hodge, 27.7. 28.8 for Nick Reagan, 27.4. And 29.7. Nick Marshall, 28.7. Minute 30 remaining. Good save. Pace setters, Todd Hodge. He's going into the infield there, coming up behind Brent Derrick down the short straightaway. And they're white, yellow, and green. Last lap, the Jason Schweitzer is 27.2. One minute remaining. Watch coming across loop. .45 seconds. 9:407.1. Coming to the second time today, going over the first round. Watch off the rhythm section. All clear. 30 seconds. Watch the rhythm section. Jason went 27.5, Brian 27.8, Christian 27.4. 29.1 for Darren, 28.0 for Brent. Less than 5. Drivers, please stay in position for the last vehicle spin. Everyone is still alive. Come across, you are finishing. All we need is Nate Wagner. Okay, start with number 7, then back up. Number 1, Brian. Number 2, Chris. Number 3, Jason. 4, Brent. 5 out. 6 Todd. Everybody's coming across for the first full lap right now. Jason Schweitzer is the fastest lap in the first one at 28.0. He is truck number 3 in the midsection. Now heading from the driver's turn. Blue, yellow, gray. And Dunbar up there, 28.4. Chris Banks, 28.5. 27.6 for Jason. Alan Hill, 29.7. Todd Hodge, 29.2. Minute and a half down, less than 2.5 to go in the master clock. Watch them out of the infield, stay wide.
Nice and smooth, Jason.
They're the pace right now. Jason Schweitzer down the back straight, number 3, through the speaker. Alabama number 6, Todd Hodge, yellow and green. We've got Chris Baines, number 2, and Thomas Iverson. Right back, Garrett. Number 4 in the midsection. 1 minute, 20 seconds left to go on a 9.4.14. TQ is 9.4.13.7. Race number 2 is be going through tech. Race 2, you're up next. One minute left. Seconds left to go. Now the midsection, truck number 3. Lines up to the 8.7 for Spring. Truck number 2 just ahead of him, second fastest. Todd Hodge, third fastest, in the yellow and green into the infield, number 6. Here's the 4 minutes, keep going. Drivers stay in position for the last vehicle finish. That's one out of the blue. Keep going, crossing down and finish. Now back there at the side. Over up to an eye. Now Hill's done.
We have a request for a minute, so we'll wait 1 more minute. Still the marshals, we need the marshals. Masters, Fisher, Black, Hines, Masters, Fisher, and Freed. Let's see Amber. I see Chris. Okay.
Number 8. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. This is race number 10. Race 11 should be headed to Tech. Chris Bing with 27.4 over the final jump down the back straight. This is modified truck.
Come on, for anyone, come on. Nice cut the track there, dude. What's that about? Can I do that when I ride? Yeah, really. Here, go all the way over to the... I lost about 5 seconds.
Chris Bing 27.7, Brian Dunbar 27.7, Nate Wagner 29.0, Jason Switzer 28.2, Fred Arts 28.7. Those are the ones that broke the 30 mark. That's number 2, not number 1, and there's 2.
He broke his ass.
And Chris Bing got a little bit faster on the last one. 27.2. Chris Bing's headed for the infield. Jason Schweitzer coming out of the infield, truck number 3, blue, gray, yellow, and black. 28.1 on his last lap. Down the back straight through the sweeper. Brian Dunbar. Let's start the loop. Jason Schweitzer up in the second on the last lap, 27.5. That's Garrett, 28.9. That Hodge, 28.0. Chasing each other around here up the top of the computer screen with 1:10 to go. We're 3 seconds off the TQ, Chris Bing. And we have 1 minute left. Jason Schweitzer, 27.0. Down the back straight through the sweeper. Into the infield. His last lap, 27.0 seconds. Chris Bing of Ole Miss after getting ready to go on to the snake. Let's see. 27.2 for Jason. Todd Hodge backs up at 27.9 with the 28.2. And let's see, that was put there at the 31.7. Chris Bing backs up at 28.5 with a 30.3. Brian Dunbar with a 27.4. Nate Wagner 29.6. Jason Schweitzer 27.6. There's the 4 and a 9.4.10 Keep going. All the drivers stay put till everyone is finished, please. Race 11, you should be ready to roll. Done is Chris Bing at 9.4.13. Done is Brian Dunbar. Done and done and done. Last. Okay, giving Pete a minute here. Go 1. Go 3.
How many laps?
Go 6.
Oh, God.
Go 4. 5. 8. 7. Everybody has started. Across the loop here for his first lap, Mr. Chris Bing, 27.7.
That's a good time.
27-9 for Brian Dunbar. 27-9. 27-8 for Jason Schweitzer. 28-3. 28-5 for Randy. Todd Hodge at 28-3. 28-9 for Alex. 48-7 for Jim Stevenson. Here's the 30.1. 15, 27-4. 27-5 for Brian. 28-0 for Jason. 28-1 for Todd. 28-7 for Randy. 28-5 for Alan. And Stevenson 30.7.
Come on, Chris.
Now 28-5. The pace setter right now is Chris Bing, number 2. White, yellow, blue, black over the final jump and down the back straight. Just go over a minute 40 under 2 minutes. 37 seconds to go. Remember, once again, your TQ is currently 9 laps, 4 minutes, 13.7 seconds. Todd Hodge now busting up near the top of the pack with 27.6. He's down the back straight, white, yellow, green, through the sweeper, headed into the infield. There we go, now going to be nice and courteous. We're still running staggered starts. Once the top physically, you're passed in the computer. Be courteous. A minute 30 seconds remaining. 2.5 in. Todd Hodge with a 27.6. And now Mr. Hodge. On the back short street over the doubles in the white, yellow, and green. Last lap 27.6 on a TQ pace. Yep. Just off the TQ pace. Chris Bing up in there with a 28.0. 1 minute left to go. We're working with the TQ pace right now. Todd Hodge, Chris Bing near the top. Jason Schweitzer, Randy, Brian, Pete, Alan, Jim. Less than 50 seconds to go. Race number 2, you should be 3-10. Race number 2, beginning the transponder. Marcus Speedy, who still needs to get the transponder. Race 2. Todd Hodge with the 28.5, Chris Bing 28.4, Jason Schweitzer 28.1, Brian Dunbar 28.5, and Andy with a 29.0. 20 seconds to go, let's see. All drivers and marshals stay in their positions to the final vehicle has come across the loop and been called finished. Less than 5. We're running a TQ pace right now.
Come on, Todd.
Todd Hodge. The white, yellow, green down the back street, running for Scooters Motorworks. Through the sweeper and into the infield. Everybody assume you are still alive, so I'll call you down. Chris Bing is finished. There's a finish for Jim Stevenson. Better keep going. Finish for Todd. Finish for Jason. Finish for Brian.
Doesn't matter. Okay.
Flanger Racing Concepts. Qualifying 5th, Nate Wagner. Scooters Motorworks. Perfect Match Racing Batteries and Tekin Electronics. Qualifying 6th, Jeremy Bartley. Special thanks to Scooter Motorworks. Only at 7 now, right? Race number 2 should be headed to Tech. Have a good run. Turn marshals in position. Don't go. All start.
I knew you would. Ain't no doubt.
Turn marshals in position. Drivers at the tone. And now I've got Brian Dunbar in the orange and yellow. Jason Schweitzer passing the inside on the first turn. Through the midsection, Jason Schweitzer, Brian Dunbar. In front of the driver's stand, Chris Bing, Nate Wagner, Todd Hodge.
Come on, Todd.
That's the driver's stand. through the rhythm section. Try to keep it clean. Got plenty of running. Hold on, hold on.
Gets around and still comes out.
What's that?
Well, right now, picking to see Jason Schweitzer in front of the driver's stand. Number 1, Brian Dunbar. Number 4, Chris King. Number 8, Randy Conner. Try to keep it clean. Remember, you got 3 runs. You guys want to just relax. Got Kirsten and Brian and Chris. Front of the driver's stands, race leaders in the midsection coming for the loop. Randy Conner, Todd Hodge, Alan Horn, Jeremy Bartley, Nate Wagner, Rob Schaefer. The order right now, we're a minute 30 in, 2.5 left to go. Jason Schweitzer's last lap, 28.3. Brian Dunbar, 28.4. Chris King, 28.5. 28.3. Randy, 28.5. Todd. Oh, a little spinach there. Jason got a little squirrely. Okay, right now, Chris King moving up in the lead down the back straight. White, yellow, and black is your leader. Followed by Brian Dunbar in the orange and yellow. And we're closely by Jason Schweitzer. We're halfway in. 2 minutes, Travers. 2 minutes. And we got 2 more to go. 2 more races just like this. Drive cool. Slicing and dicing back here. Todd Hodge. Number 8, Randy Conner. Watch for the driver's stand.
Come on, Nate.
Watch for the rhythm section. Schweitzer now. Chris King. Dunbar. Chris finds the board. Dunbar moves into second. Chris tries to go on the inside. No room. Watch the back straight. Todd Hodge moving himself up. They're in their 3rd position. The white, yellow, and green across the loop. Randy Conner from 3rd spot, Nate 4th. Down the back straight goes Jason Schweitzer. Last lap 29.7. Brian Dunbar, orange and yellow into the infield. 1 minute left to go.
Come on, Todd.
Todd Hodge trying to reel in Brian Dunbar in the orange and yellow. Todd Hodge is white, yellow, and green.
Car in front of you.
27.5 for Todd Hodge. Brian Dunbar just had him 28.2. All right, truck number 4, Chris King, trying to reel in Todd Hodge in yellow, white, and green. 30 seconds remaining. Race 2 should be through tech. What's going into the infield? Jason Schweitzer trying to hang on to it. Oh, lucky roll. Brian Dunbar, good break. Todd Hodge trying to reel him in ever so closely. Watch the midfield. Stay wide coming off there, Chris. Oh, Nate. Watch across the loop. 10 seconds to go. Jason Schweitzer, Brian Dunbar, Todd Hodge into the infield. Here comes the time. Finish lap, you're on. Here comes Schweitzer, Brian Dunbar, Todd Hodge. Keep coming until you come past the computer. One of those guys will have 4 will be set. They're going to move to the inside as soon as we start and move the grid. We have somebody in position 2, right? Position 2 right there by the final jump. Mike Marshall, we got you. Try that again. Turn Marshall's in position. Drivers at the tunnel. Car up there in the infield, coming in. Chris 3, Jason Schweitzer. Chris 3, number 6, Alan Horn.
Come on, Dunbar.
Right now, Chris King, you're racing through the sweeper, white, yellow, and black, going into the infield, closer to the Todd Hodge.
Come on, Sting.
Pete Milo, number 8. The 7, Jim Stevenson. Who do we have in position 4? We've got somebody out there in the back straight. Raise their hands for 4. We need somebody in 4 right now. Larry, we need Larry Perkins to take position 4, please. Larry Perkins. There's Connor here. That's going to cross the loop. Todd Hodge taking advantage there, moving out into the lead over the final jump. Jason Schweitzer closely pursuing. And 6, Alan Horns through the sweepers. 5, Jason and Alan. 16, Dan Stevenson. Oakley finds the board. 16 finds Marshall. And Stevenson. And number 9, Randy Connor. Close battle, wait for opportunities. Oh, nice on the inside. Well, come together. Take it easy on each other. Yeah, back and forth here. And Stevenson. Randy Conroe battling out through the rhythm section. Battle for 5th. They're coming together. Randy Conroe coming in the back of Jim Stevenson. Jim Stevenson trying to get it back down the back straight. Meanwhile, first 4 positions spread out a little bit. Todd Hodge. Jason Schweitzer. Chris King. Last lap, 28-1, 28-0, 28-0, 28-2. The first 4 positions. 1 minute 10 remaining. One minute remaining. We're now 3 minutes in.
Go!
Yellow, green, and yellow. Yellow, green, and white. 27-6. Alan Horn, 27-8. 40 seconds to go. Down the back straight. First, second, third and fourth. Todd Allen, J.C. Chris, followed by Brian Dunbar, Randy Conrad, Pete Milo, Jim Bronson, Brent Derrick, Jim Stevenson, all on the lead lap with 30 seconds to go. Good time for the position. Pete Milo, unhappy landing there, trying to make a bid. The 5th spot over Brian Dunbar. Right behind him, number 5, Randy Conrad, with 10 seconds to go. Oh, and inside, not quite able to hang on to it. Nice to the action. This is 5. 4 positions spread out. This will be the final lap.
Come on, Todd! No mistakes!
Perfect was through by Alan Horn. It's close one. Everybody stay put. A lot of races still in positions. Hold on. Store race going on. Little take out there coming together. Take it easy. Keep it clean. Rich, you want to grab that position 6 for me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 out of 10. Ready to roll. We're missing a couple transponders from race 13. What are they? Call them off real quick. We're not moving until we get them. 5 and 7 orange. Where are they? Benji and Jim. Okay, here we go. Turn marshals in position. Drivers at the tone. Right now, we're going to hustle the band up. Watch the back straight. Chaos. Everybody keep it on good there. Number 7 moving into that position. Alan Horn. Followed by Nate Wagner. Number 5. Number 8. Randy Conrad.